Nice to meet you. This is David Kim, SMC water tank expert. What is SMC water tank? SMC means sheet molding compound. The thermoset composite material is mold compressed using the hydraulic press to form panel units like wall panel and bottom panel and roof panel, even partition panel, which are used to make the tank body. And the internal and external tank unit is then reinforced with stiffeners and inserted with some special seal and gasket. Do you know when SMC water tank started? Let's take a look at the SMC water tank in 4 times starting from today. Today, let's learn about SMC, the most important material for GRP water tank, GRP or SMC water tank, whatever. SMC was developed in Germany, but commercialized in the UK and USA and Japan. US focused with building materials such as SMC doors, and UK and Japan started with SMC water tank. What happened in Germany, the industrialization of automobile parts has processed. Currently, it is used. SMC water tanks are about 70 years old. Let's take a look at the features and advantages and disadvantages of the product through the Japanese catalog. Japan is famous for the material industry with Germany. Sekisui, we are looking at Sekisui water tank catalog. Sekisui is one of the leader in the market, a leading company. Let's take a look at Sekisui's catalog and products on site. If you look at this photo, you can see the differentiation about the panel differentiation between Korea and Japan. Basically, Korean panels, there are 1 by 2 meter panel. Upper side 1 by 2, but there's no 1 by 2 panels for this tank, and the shapes are same, but something like different like that. They also have two maybe in this photo they have also 1 by 2 meter panel, but in overseas market I never seen this project. Maybe this is for only Japan side. If you see this photo, there is a flange, the angle is 45 degrees, not 90 degrees. Korean flanges has a 90 degree. The panel degree is 90, but Japanese panel is not 90, it's 45. It makes different assembling some installation. They have also internal and external reinforcement system. This is the internal and this is the external system. This is assembling the way. Because of the panel angle is 45 degrees, the panel assembling panel meets that 45 angle side. So it makes different some parts and the way of assembling. So if you see this block, this inside the tank block has to come from inside and outside. This is wall panel and bottom panel. This kind of block should be assembled. This is outside. Maybe you can consider, you can just imagine this is something like you know, the internal bracket and external bracket. And the tie rod is just go through the panel. But Korean style is not like this. Korean tie rod has a internal tie rod bracket. So tie rods basically is not coming through out the panel. So this is outside. So the tie rod go throughout the panel like this. And this bracket is fitted like the shape of the flange bar. And there's also corner frame, but not vertically. Corner frame is just a roof panel plus wall panel horizontally. And this roof support is PVC, and we use FRP only. This is project site. It was projects in Qatar, so I had a chance to visit one time. So it was I was lucky to visit there. So if you see this panel, there are lots of holes. It's almost double with Korean panel. Korean panel, there are 8 holes, but this is almost 16. It's too much. See, at the corner side, maybe there is a more water pressure, so they just sorted some make more hole to reinforce at the corner side. This is non-slip with a roof panel. This is the external frame. This is also they used. Okay. This is a 150 C channel for 3 meters height. Basically, Korean standard, we use 150 for 4.5 and 5 meters height tank. This is much higher specification. This is a bottom panel. If you see, this is 45 degrees. And there is a non-slip. And this is a bracket. I explained you before. This is for that no, that 45 angle, that block, internal block. If I show you this is the same thing. This one comes either 45, the 90 degrees panel like that, or 90 degrees panel between wall and wall. This is at the corner side, but there is no corner frame, only brackets. And bolts are M12, and this is the external frame. The frame is a very, very heavy, very big frame, so it makes much expensive, but safety is more, obviously. This is the inside, tank inside. They used only PVC roof support, but PVC is not strong enough beyond the 2-meter high tank. But FRP, the protrusion type FRP roof support is strong enough up to 5 meters high. So that's why this roof support is every 1 meter. This is around FRP roof support is around 5 to 6 times stronger than PVC roof support. So wall and bottom for 90 degrees to corner, there are blocks. Okay, all the joint at the 90 degrees panel has a block like that. This is roof. And this is the external frame from top side. This is the anchor bolt. It has a double tie rod outside the roof side, and this is also the frame. How was the movie? If you have any inquiries, please send me email. And if you like my channel, please subscribe and put like also. Thank you.